Hey everyone, today we're at this 7-Eleven gas station car wash in Woodlands, and it looks like we got a Mark 7 and looks like it is out of service. So let's see if it's actually out of service. Oh, come on! It's out of service. Damn it. Come on. All right, let's walk through it. Over here we got your entrance. Got your undercarriage. What happened? It broke. So this is one of those newer Mark 7 car washes. Take a pic. I like the setup on this one. By the way, guys, we are so close to getting 100 subscribers. Thank you so much. We're getting close. So anyways, we got your top brush over here. You got your jets. As long as your lights. Side jets. Your rocker panel blasters. And the side brush right over here. And over here we got your off-board dryers, Mark 7 dryers, and your dry timer. And over here is, let's see if the equipment room's locked. I bet it's locked. Guys, it's unlocked. So this is what it looks like in the equipment room. Cool. So anyways, let's go to another car wash. Hey everyone, today we are going to go to the world's longest car wash in Texas, which is the Buc-ee's in Katy, Texas. So this is going to be nice. I heard this is popular according to YouTube community and stuff, you know. Not YouTube community, the chat thing, but YouTube videos and stuff, you know. There it is, guys, the world's longest car wash in Katy, Texas. Let's see, we're gonna head and try it out. And as usually, it's full because this place is popular as always. So let's enter. Wow, they got so many vacuums. Look at that. All right, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 lanes. I'm gonna go for that lane. I'm gonna be behind the Subaru accent. Let's take a look at this place. Oh my goodness, guys, this is going to be incredible. Look at this. Got your arches and everything. I think you can we're gonna have to like pull up nearby and see the wash packages of this thing. I think the top price is $16. Yeah, I don't know where you want to go. All right, so when it's our turn, we'll film the wash. All right, there's your wash packages over here. We got the basic for the 13 and the works for the 16. It's definitely expensive because, of course, you know, there's gonna be a lot of chemicals and some brushes, and you know, it's the longest car wash ever. This is gonna be exciting, guys, so stay tuned. All right, let's go ahead and pay up the wash. All right, let's get off the car and do the payment method. Here we go. Let's buy a car wash. We're gonna go for the works. Would you like a tire shine? Yes.
Please make a selection.
Yes.
Please make a selection.
Buy 10 wash, get 1 free. Skip.
Please insert credit card to make payment.
I cannot even read that. Guys, I cannot read that. Please remove card. Okay, now I can read. Oh, it says remove card. Awesome. Waiting for gate. Thank you. And she gave me a receipt. There's the receipt. All right, and we're about to enter the wash. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and enter the wash. All right, it says drive forward, drive forward. Look at that, we got a mirror. Sorry, I'm trying to see this. Hopefully, I can turn down the volume a little bit, dude. Don't get a copyright strike. All right, stop, put the car in neutral, foot off the brake, hands off the steering wheel, and let the wash begin, everyone. Here we go. The world's longest car wash ever. Here we go. All windows closed, and here we go. Let's start off with pre-soak. There's 2 arches of pre-soak. Here's pre-soak pass number 1. Let me take off my seatbelt so I can like move around. I like the neon lights, by the way. I bet it's gonna look amazing at nighttime. I can tell. Hey, look, we got the Buc-ee's thing projector. Look at that. That's cool. Nice coating in pre-soak. And pre-soak pass number 2. And we're starting off with top brush. Oh, okay. More of that stuff. Holy crap. Now we're getting brush. Oh wow, that's so cool. Look at that. We got a lava arch of tri-foam. Perfect. Okay, yeah, this is getting amazing already. Superior coverage of tri-foam. Alright. Look at the wires. That's kind of cool. It's moving kind of fast a bit. That's kind of nice. And the brush is not that aggressive. Hot lava wax. This is just cool, guys. There's tons and tons of brushes. Already somebody behind us, of course, of course. This one's not making contact. I prefer not making contact better than getting the car damage, LOL. I know people are gonna get mad at that. Alright, now we're getting top brush again. I gotta count how many, because I'm starting to lose count already. How many brushes are there? AF's combination, look at that. We got jets. Let's go, I love combination. Me and my dad always love combination. We got Mark 7 arches. Wait until this thing folds. Oh, okay, now it doesn't fold. Yeah, it looks like these are like Mark 7 turbo nozzles. We're getting like sealant. More high pressure rinse. And spot free rinse, and we get the dryers. They are Tech 21 dryers. High pressure spot free rinse. There we go. Let's see how they do. Very amazing. The dryers are doing a good job. Yeah, dryers are doing a good job. Oh wow, that's kind of cool. Look at that. Yeah, dryers are doing a good job. Wait. All right, still wait. Security cameras. Go. All right, here we go. And that is it, everyone. Let's go ahead and pull up to a vacuum and see how it did. This thing was absolutely filthy, by the way, so cannot wait to see the results. Good vacuum over here. We got, oh, we got handicap. Interesting. It got handicap. Oh, get out of the way, bird. How do you know? I'm gonna kill it. Okay. All right. Let's see how it did. I put the car apart. All right, here we go. Let's see how it did. Perfect. That's my words. Perfect. Oh yeah, it did a really nice job in the car. Although that's window stain, but that's gonna be hard to remove, so not complaining. Little tiny scratch over here, lovely. Aw, it kind of scratched the car a bit, man. Man, what's up with these brushes, man? I hate it. I hope that's there. Oh, I think, okay, I think that's perfect, removable. Awesome, that's removable. What the fudge? Oh, that's scum. Okay, never mind. I thought that was big. I thought that was deep scratch. Oh my god, that scared me. Still a little dirty. Yeah, I'll give it an 8 out of 10. So thanks for watching. You know what, guys? I have to say, you know what? I changed my mind. Look at this, guys. It's amazing. I'll give it a 9 out of 10. It did a good job. 9.5 out of 10. I say 9.5 because it's the longest car wash. The chemical was superior, and yeah, everything was superior. Yeah, I think everything is good. I'll give it a 9.5 out of 10. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.